I'm the local coordinator of an EU project that's turning 12 cities into food living labs, and the purpose of the project is to try to understand what will it take for our cities to actually transform their food systems to be sustainable. It's an incredible problem. It's so complex. What we eat touches everything. The food system impacts all 17 of the Sustainability Development Goals. It pressures all 9 planetary boundaries, and it's so intimate and personal. All the time we eat every day, not just to keep ourselves alive, but in many regards to keep ourselves human. Food is culture. So transforming the food system and transforming how we eat is hard. So my research really looks at the values that underpin our practices and looks at, well, if we need to change our practices, what are the values that are driving those practices, and how are our practices shaping those values? What new policies, new technologies, new relationships might we need in order to facilitate the kind of change that many people want to see, but they don't quite know how to do in a sustainable way in their everyday lives?
Yeah, I like this idea of the big, large squares.
Yeah. From my perspective, being a researcher that can be engaged in imagining other futures and envisioning really rich possibilities, and then backcasting to work out how we can reorient ourselves today to be moving towards those better, more just, more inclusive, more rich, more multi-species, more humble, more entangled futures. That's why I do the research that I do, and I feel incredibly privileged.